this is the waterfall, and the best part of this place, જો તમે ફોકસ કરો અને બહુ ધ્યાનથી સાંભળો, the whole waterfall and the sound it resonates at a lower frequency, which is called the bass, and the bass goes on increasing and increasing and increasing every millisecond and second, by time, more time and more time, and it just keeps getting better and better and better and the best. If you keep on focusing, the sun and the sound of the sun has an Om in it. It has the vibrations of Om. That is how the Hindu mythology came in contact with Om through nature. Nature has the frequencies of Om on a default note. It resonates that bass, that humming sound. That humming sound is in nature everywhere. May it be space, may it be planets, may it be trees, may it be the waterfall which is in my background right now. It's everywhere. Pardon me, I'm sorry I can't help the sound if you can't hear me properly, but it's everywhere and it's almost spectacular. The sound of Om, this is how it helps us to connect with nature. Om, the bass, the sound, the frequency is something which is very important for us to connect with nature at large and keep on functioning at the highest awareness and consciousness level possible. That is how we come closer to nature. That is one pattern, that is one method through which we can connect with nature. You're already seeing nature in my background. I've already given you the whole shot of people with me here, as well as the waterfall. And yes, of course, you can look around. Rest of the people are also doing something or the other. I don't know how meaningful that is, but it's all with due respect to humanity at large, choices, and people, whatever they enjoy, they should do. But coming to nature should always be fun and should always be in such a way that you connect to the best of what nature is, and you can and you should and you may always enjoy whatever is happening in nature. When you connect with nature, that is when you become one with nature. And as it is always said, that when you become one with nature, anything, when you become one with it, you resonate, you vibrate with the same frequency, you go to the same level where that particular thing is there, functioning in this universe, in this beautiful, extraordinary and magnificent cosmos which is made by the energy of super consciousness. This is spectacular. Just go somewhere where you can have a lot of noise, authentic noise, not the noise of what people go on screaming and shouting their throat out. Connect with nature, come to a waterfall and just connect with the sound. It resonates on a default note and it would be absolutely magnificent. I go speechless. I just cannot talk when I'm in middle of nature, and the energies I connect and whatever I do, I just enjoy it so much that it's just wow. I go speechless, believe me. I did this video for people at large so that I could convey that Om, the sound, the frequency is already there in nature. Because we are also part of nature, it should be, and it is, to be precise, in us also. It's just that we have lost the connection, or we think that we are not connected and we have lost how we should connect, but it is already there, believe me guys. Sorry, that was a fumble. Enjoy, have a beautiful Sunday, you take good care of yourself, and simply, as I say, and as you can see in my background, just resonate with the sound. Take care.